Dude, you guys got this. Just don't run into the unicycle.
Are you moving the unicycle?
Do you want me to?
Yeah. Ready? Break off. Go. That seems like it'd work. If I make it, you'll go. If you don't make it, I'll go. Okay.
Either way, Maxwell's going.
Yeah.
Limber up, bro.
Loose.
Get loose.
Just some jumping jacks.
Runner, are you limbered up?
Hang on, can I do some wheelies first? Warm up. Dude, it's so weird not having any foot things.
That'll be a good shot.
2, 1, go. My ass hurts so bad. Oh my god. I should probably know.
Dude, I'm gonna pee my pants.
Did we clear them?